In today's video, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic: how Earth was not made in 7 days, as the Bible says, and how we actually know Earth's date. To understand Earth's creation, let's look at this timeline. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe as we know it started, the Big Bang. After this, the universe was extremely hot and dense, and as the universe cooled, conditions became just right to give the rise to the building blocks of galaxies and planets. Then, 4.6 billion years ago, our sun is born when a cloud of dust and gas called nebula collapsed under its own gravity. And then, 60 million years after the creation of the sun, the Earth is born, meaning 4.54 billion years ago, because of the fusion of big masses of meteorites. So, how do we know it didn't take one day to create the universe, the sun, and the Earth? Well, because of radiometric dating, which is a modern technology process which helps us date Earth and our solar system. In short terms, this process works by getting rocks from meteorites or the moon and putting them through labs to see their radioactivity. To better understand the perspective of scientists and religion, we interviewed Miss Pamela and Miss Emily, which are Bible teachers.
¿Cuál es su interpretación de Génesis 1?
Génesis te explica el origen de la Tierra desde la cosmovisión de alguien que es primitivo, pero leyendo actualmente puedes encontrar muchas partes que son científicas y reales.
¿Y por qué la Biblia dice que la Tierra se creó en 7 días?
Emilio va a hablar de la literalidad y yo voy a hablar de una interpretación, ¿ok?
Entonces, dentro de la literalidad, primero nosotros tenemos que entender que sí, suena como algo casi imposible, crear todo el mundo en 7 días. Pero recordando que literalmente si estamos hablando de un Dios todopoderoso, omnisciente, omnipotente, omnipresente, Él puede hacer literalmente lo que le da la gana.
Por otra parte, apoyando esta teoría, ¿no es cierto?, está la parte de las eras. ¿Qué es lo que te dice esta teoría? Te dice que los 7 días representan 7 eras de la humanidad que no contienen específicamente un tiempo, sino contienen un proceso.
Lastly, we also interviewed a chemistry teacher and a scientist, Mr. Victor.
How can extraterrestrial bodies date Earth? Very good. So, since we know that so far we have some devices for detecting specific traces of radiation, which was at the beginning of the solar system, so the extraterrestrial objects were at the beginning moving around. The first planets were created. So when they collided our planet, like after being created, they wrote the information from the beginning. Or do we know that by detecting the radiation released by using some devices we know so far, and we date these devices, we know the origin of the solar system being like 4.5, 4.6 billion years ago.
To resume all, in the interviews we made, we had 2 completely different points of view, the scientific one and the theological. In the theological, we had the interpretation of Genesis 1 in 2 different theories. The one that interprets the Bible the way it is written, and the other is a representation. In the first one, we saw God really powerful, and because of this, He is able to make the world in 7 days. But in the other hand, the other theory is the one that says that each day represents an era in the creation of Earth. In the scientific point of view, the Bible is a geological book that summarizes the date of the creation of the universe. As a scientist, Mr. Victor also agrees with the theory of the geological time, and that the days are representations of it. Also, according to science and evidence from extraterrestrial bodies, we can know that the Earth was created around 4.5 to 4.6 billion years ago. And for the Earth to be able to host human life, many years have to pass. Thanks for watching.